Good evening, all my dear students. Good evening, all. So let's start today the next part of this chapter. The chapters is the human reproduction. So in the last class, we discussed about the structure of the female reproductive system and how the process of oogenesis takes place, and that I learned in the last class. So today we learn the next part of this chapter, that is the menstrual cycle. So if the when in oogenesis, what happened? The ova is formed every 14 days of the cycles that form the ova. If the ova is not fertilized, what happens? The release with the uterine walls to release as a bleeding, that is called menstrual cycle. So what happened? How? Let's think about that. So reproductive cycle of female in the primates is called the menstrual cycle. So this is the in cases of takes place in the female, that is called menstrual cycle, and the menstrual cycle begins when the female reaches the age of puberty. So generally, when the age the puberty stage, that is the development of that female reproductive organs, the secondary organs develop, and that is from the word that is the cycle is developed in that stage. And the fast menstruation begins at the puberty is called the menarche. The question will come in your exam, what is menarche? Menarche means जो आपका fast is the starting of the menstruation cycle in case of female, that is called menarche. And during this cycle, what happens? The endometrial walls prepare itself the implantation of fertilized egg. If the fertilization does not occur, the uterus lining set from the bodies, and it is called menstruation. So during this cycle, what happens? जो endometrial walls रहता है uterus में, there you prepare for the fertilized egg. When the egg is released, it will fertilize. If the fertilize not takes place, अगर fertilize नहीं होगा है, what happens? It release through the human body is a bleeding, sorry, in the female is a bleeding, that is called menstruation. And menstruation cycle repeated average the 28 days. How many days is the completed one cycle? The 28 days. And during this cycle, the one ovum is released after, in every 14 days of menstrual cycle. The question will come, the how when the ovum release in cases of female, the 14 days of menstrual cycle, the release of the what? The ovum. So let's knowing about the phases of menstrual cycles given here. So look at here. The first phase is called the menstrual phase. The second is the follicular phase. Third is the ovulatory phase, and fourth is the what? Luteal stage. The first, the menstrual phase means the bleeding period times. Follicular phase means before the egg is released, and third is the ovulatory egg is released, and the last is the word luteal is that after the release of the word egg. So these are the words is the menstrual cycle phases that complete the four stage. So how it's completes, let's know that. So these are the phases is given here. The uterine cycles is phase, that is the ovarian phase, and this is the ovarian cycle takes place the given phases. So let's know one by one. So menstrual phase, what happened? The bleeding period. In that period, what happened? The first phase start from the at least 3 to 5 days. How many days? The 3 to 5 days that takes place of the cycle. And in this period, what happened? Breakdown of endometrium walls and blood vessels occur, lead to bleeding, come out through the vagina. That is called menstrual phase, and it occurs only when the ovum is released and the ovum is not fertilized, that phase is takes place. Or lack of menstruation phase is the indication of pregnancy. If the lack of menstruation takes place, it leads to the word pregnancy. The next is the word follicular stage. Follicular stage, the second stage of menstrual cycle. In this phase, what happened? Menstrual phase followed by the follicular phase. During this phase, the pituitary gland increase the production of which hormone? FSH hormone, that is follicle stimulating hormones. And this, sorry, uh, in this phase, during this phase, what happened? The pituitary glands increase the production of follicle stimulations, the hormones, FSH hormone, and this hormone stimulate the growth of the follicle to become a Graafian follicle. You know the first follicle from the Graafian follicle. So generally, look at the figures here. So here is the this is the most of the follicle that release in the during the puberty age, and out of the follicles they have the mature to primary follicle, then to secondary follicle, and then to tertiary follicle, and after the many layers it forms out a Graafian follicle. And when the Graafian follicles is formed, it releases one ovum. In 15 days, it releases one ovum. And the Graafian follicles, when they release the ovum, if the FSH hormone decreases, it decreases हो जाता है FSH hormone, and level of estrogen increases. Level of estrogen, whatever, the increases. And with the help of, and this has the regeneration of proliferation of uterine endometrium walls. So generally, this is the endometrium wall. Look at here. This is the endometrium walls, and this endometrium walls become decreases his first menstrual cycle, and when it is the become recovered, the endometrium wall become recovered by follicular stage. Then ovulatory phase. Ovulatory phase means this phase after the follicular phase. After the follicular phase, the next phase followed by ovulatory phase, and in this phase, what happens? The releasing of the ova. The phase what the releasing of ova, that is called the ovulatory phase, and it is forms after 14 days of the menstrual cycles. This phase begins with the lutein hormone, that is LH hormones, and this level increases the which the FSS increases to the lesser extent, that is the follicle stimulatory hormones released in there. The LH stimulate enzymes the Graafian follicle to follicle ruptures and release the egg, and that is the ovulation. That phase is called the word ovulation phase. Then the what happened? Egg is travels in the follicular tubes are ready for the fertilization. उसके बाद egg कहाँ transfer होता है? The transfer to the ovulatory phase. Sorry, in the transfer to the fallopian tube, where the egg is the stay there, and when the fertilization takes place. The question is come that exam where the fertilization takes place in female in the fallopian tube. कहाँ होता है fertilization in fallopian tube? The fertilization egg can survive 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. Ovulation के बाद कितने आवर तक वो functional रहता है the ovum in cases of female, that 12 to 24 hours. Within that period, if the for ovum get fused with the sperm, it will be fertilized. If not get with the sperm, it will sperm, it will be not fertilized, and it will release as a cycle. The ovulatory phase lasts 16 to 32 hours, ends when the egg is released. The last phase is the what luteal phase. This is the fourth phase of the menstrual cycle. In this phase, what happens? This phase begins after ovulation. Ovulation के बाद कौन सा phase होता है? That is luteal phase. And in this phase, what happens? Rupture of Graafian follicles and transfer it to the corpus luteum. इसमें क्या होता है? The Graafian follicle ruptures होता है और उसमें से release होता है. That is the word. The ovum release हो जाता है. The rest remains at the present the Graafian follicle, that is for corpus luteum, and it produces a large amount progesterone hormone. उस समय कौन सा हार्मोन सीक्रेट होता है? प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन. एंड दिस हार्मोन आल्सो अदर हार्मोन्स, दैट इज द LH FSH हार्मोन लेवल फॉल बैक एंड लो TD लेवल्स. इसका लेवल कम हो जाता है. सो हियर गिवन दैट हार्मोनल फंक्शंस. प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन फंक्शन क्या है? द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ यूट्राइन एंडोमेट्रियम वॉल. जो यूट्राइन एंडोमेट्रियम वॉल जो डिक्रीज हो गया था उसको मेंटेन करेगा कौन? दैट इज द प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन. And the thickness of uterine walls, that is the endometrium, increases many fold due to this proliferation. ये proliferation वजह से बहुत सारा infold होगा. If the fertilization occurs, the corpus luteum grows and further the pregnancy continues, and that is the menstrual cycle stop. ये corpus luteum क्या होता है? Again, this is called corpus luteum. After the release of ovum, the remains of the present is called the word corpus luteum. ये corpus luteum क्या होता है? It occurs the grows further for the and pregnancy continues. इसमें क्या grows होता है and the pregnancy is the continuous. If it is fertilized, if you are not fertilized, what happened? The corpus luteum again that form with the word, that is the next cycle of that. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerate into the corpus albicans. ये क्या हो जाता है? Degenerate हो जाता है. अगर fertilization होगा so it will be maintain the pregnancy corpus luteum. If you are not fertilized the egg cell, what happen? The corpus luteum degenerate and that from the corpus albicans. उस समय उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Corpus albicans. And decrease in progesterone hormone leads to the menstruation cycle. तो इसमें इस लेवल में क्या हो जाता है? Decrease the progesterone hormone यहाँ पे less होता है, and that leads to from the word menstruation cycle. And if the menstruation cycle around the 50 years age, this condition is called the word menopause. आता है question? What is the menopause? The menopause means it is the condition in where the stop of the menstrual cycle in the females after the 50 years old age, that is called the word menopause. And menarche क्या है? The starting of the menstrual cycle in cases of female, that is called menarche. These are the word. These are the phases of the word menstruation cycle. The next class we'll learn about the fertilization. So today we'll learn the word the menstrual phase, So again, repeat that the menstrual phase consists of the four stages. One, the menstrual phase, that is bleeding period, and it is done from the 3 to 5 days. And the follicular stage before the egg formation, that is called before the egg formation, that is called follicular stage. It starts from the 6 to, that is 13 days, and the ovulatory phase means during the 14 days of the menstrual cycle, that is called ovulatory phase, that is the release of ovum. And the last stage is called the what, luteal stage. After the release of the egg, that is called luteal stage. Then what happens in that region, that is the given that the first page is what is formed, that follicular phase, that what forms are already told that. And the ovulatory phase, the release of the ova, that is also told that how it is formed. And the luteal phase or the end phase of that, in that phase of what happened, the LH FSH level fall back. जो FSH LH हार्मोन जो फर्स्ट स्टेज में अधिक होता था, तो यहाँ पे देखिए लेवल ऑफ द फॉलिकुलर फेज, यहाँ पे द लेवल ऑफ एफएसएच फेज जो लेवल्स है, द एफएसएच एंड एलएच हार्मोन जो लेवल अधिक होता था, लास्ट पीरियड में क्या होगा, लेस हो जाएगा. It will be FSH, LSH hormone. They are the increasing in this period, and the when it will be last stage will come, it will be decreases. It will be what, decreases. So this is the last stage of that luteal phase. It is the decreases FSH and LSH hormones. So this is the stages of hormone today. Learn about the phases of the menstrual cycle today, and the last class, next class we discuss about the fertilizations, how the fertilization takes place in the humans. So hope you understand today's topic. Thank you for joining my class. Have a good evening. Stay home, stay safe.